Hi everyone. Today I am sharing a very simple recipe how to make banana ice cream using only 3 ingredients. But if we choose a good seasonal fruit, then nothing else is needed. I already tell you that with the healthy and easy to make this homemade ice cream, we will be able to eat it every day without affecting our health or our weight. Ingredients: 200 milliliters condensed milk, 3 bananas cut into pieces and frozen, 250 milliliters cream. As you may have noticed, the ingredients to use are very few. Now let's take a list of the steps to make a delicious banana ice cream recipe. Preparation: 1. In the glass of the blender, place the frozen and cut bananas in pieces and the condensed milk and liquefy until integrating everything and that there is a cream. 2. Then add the cream and vanilla essence droplets to taste and liquefy again about 5 minutes. 3. Pour the preparation in a container and take it in freezer if they have great ice cream. Otherwise nothing happens. It's delicious. 4. It is a dessert to fall in love when I decorate with chocolate and some custard. And you enjoy love with something sweet. Now delicious banana ice cream is ready for eating. Thank you guys for watching banana ice cream video. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more new videos.